Hey everybody, Greaser Bob. We got a bolt. The only question is, how much are these bolts going to be worth? Times one, that's what I suspected. Alright, come on. Can it be a $200 or $50 prize? 50, but that's alright. 50, 50, 50. That's fun. Bolt. Alright. Just curious to me. Why did they up the top prize by 200,000? As you probably know, most of you Pennsylvanians, this is a $10 Hamilton 10X $500 slab and a safe for a win-all. Matching numbers 27, 6, 14, 36, 5, and 2. Nice to get the $500 slab. We got a 12, 16, 32, 1, 24, 38, 40, 39, 29, 37 off to 27, we got a 9, 26 off to 36, 19, 35, and a 34. That's blank, but we got bolt. Peace out. Catch you on the flip side. Remember, love is the answer.